up, guys? So, I got a no heat call this morning. It's gonna be one of these guys here. Not sure which one, but I'm gonna guess it's this one. So, let's get our panel off and see what's inside. Alright, so here we are. I got no power somewhere. Low voltage isn't tripped. So let's see if we got any voltage here. Thought I was gonna be chasing a low voltage short, but looks like we've tripped a breaker at this point. No voltage. So this is 460 volts, 480 volts. Alright, well, let's go to continuity and see if we get any direct shorts. I got a direct short right there, first wire I tried. How about that? So that one there. Right, so we've got a wire rubbed or something. Retaining plate looks like it's seen better days. Doesn't look too terrible. Seen worse. So we'll get both hands on the wheel here so we can't find out where our short's at. Alright guys, so this may be an easy one. We're still looking here. I was reading continuity to ground here on my main power. When I shut the disconnect off, my continuity went away, and that's on the incoming side of my disconnect. So I don't have it anywhere else. Oh, that right there too. So I'm gonna have a short between there. Let's get that box open and see what I've got inside of there. Let's do that and see if we can't pinpoint our short. So we've got a beautiful electrical job here, guys. Check this out. Box isn't sealed. Looks like just silicone and wires running through there. No grommet, no nothing. But I got 3 extra wires or 4 extra wires that go somewhere. Lord only knows where. But disconnected now, and my short has gone away. So no short. So I've ruled out everything to the box. It's got to be something going down. I don't have any play to move those wires through or pull them out to see if it rubbed there. I'm going to try to get into this heat exchanger section, see if I can get down and see those wires and see what I can do, see if I can locate a short somewhere close that I can fix. But you may have to get an electrician up here to do this thing right, because the other thing I noticed was my main power coming in, I'm missing something. There ought to be a wire landed there. So I don't know how this ever got this way, but anyways, let's see if we can't locate the short, work our way back towards the breaker, and then we'll go from there. So I'm not sure what I thought this was going to help me get to those wires, but there is like a theft protection rebar down there in the return there. Let's see if I can get a shot of that. So you can't crawl down in that duct as if it was possible. But anyways, I didn't find a short. I don't see anything noticeable back here. You can see there is looks like there's a metal conduit back in there. So they kind of ran conduit to there and kind of had a fitting on the inside, just nothing really connected well. So I didn't find any shorts. I did find my ground wire. So there's my ground. This is an old building with old electrical plates, probably gonna have to go eventually. It's not too awful. Heat exchangers looks rough too, but I didn't see any noticeable cracks or holes or anything like that. I kind of rubbed my screwdriver in there. So I found some 8-wire on my truck. It's not the most beautiful thing, but at least we are grounded now. So I feel a lot safer with that. We're gonna leave disconnect off position, and let's go down and take a look at the breakers and see if we see anything unusual. So I'm down searching for my panel here. Nothing's labeled real well, but looks like this is my rooftop number 2. We're on. I've also got rooftop 1 and rooftop 4 and 5. It's been unusually cold here, so rooftop 3 as well. Been not unusually cold, it's been unusually warm, so we haven't noticed, but this breaker's tripped for panel HP, and as far as I can tell, this is panel HP. So we lost power to this whole panel. So it's about 40 degrees out now, so nobody else has noticed or complained, but that's a 200 amp breaker. So let's see if we can't find an electrician. We got like I said, old building. There's a whole lot going on around here. I have no idea what this is, but that should be covered. Some of the things you find in these old buildings, man. It's all empty electrical junction boxes and old disconnects and all kinds of crap. I don't know where half of it goes, so we'll let the customer know what's going on. I have a feeling they're going to get something resolved quicker than just one unit being down, because they got a whole bunch of units not working. So see what happens. So here's our breaker panel. I'm just looking for anything unusual. I obviously don't have power. This is my breaker in question. Don't see anything burnt up. I was looking for maybe the main bus or something that may have had an issue. This is the main breaker feeding that, and I don't see anything too unusual there either. So we're gonna head back to the roof and button things up and let the electrician come out and see if he can figure out where our short is. But we got something weird going on here. So you gotta love old buildings with weird power. Basically left this unit off at the breaker down below. I got the main 200 amp breaker that I still don't know why it tripped. Got it turned on fine. I turned on the other rooftops on that circuit, or on that panel, with no issues. I actually found that even though I was reading a short here, you can hear my unit heating back there. That's actually the unit that they called about. And they didn't realize they had 3 or 4 other units down. But in between getting my ground connected and everything working, my short's gone. I don't know if I moved something or if there's something else weird going on, but I have no short. I pulled my power wires, got them isolated, and turned my disconnect on with no issues. I got 463 phase. So now I'm not picking up any shorts in the unit, so we're going to turn it back on and see what happens. to stand back. Yeah, there's something weird going on here. They've got an electrician coming out at some point. I'm gonna have to go try to locate where this unit actually runs to. There goes my heat. So I'm baffled. I had to have moved something. I thought maybe I had a break in the wire because I wasn't showing my short down at the breaker with the panels off, and then I come back up here and I got nothing again. So I'm not sure what happened here, but she's running. Let me know if y'all caught anything in the video that I missed, but we're gonna have them keep an eye on it and maybe have the electrician come out anyways and take a look at some things, because this building's old and got old wiring. But for now, they've got heat. Let me know what y'all think. We'll see y'all on the next one.